Hello and thank you for joining us on ERi-TV. This is English News Broadcast live from the headquarters in Asmara at 10:30 p.m. Today is Sunday, 28th of January 2024. The following are the top stories for this evening. President Isaias departs to Italy. Nathaniel Tesfatsion secures second place at Cadel Evans Road Race. Hezbollah fighters destroy Israel military surveillance system in night of fire. U.S. is to deploy nuclear weapons to UK. On invitation by the Italian government, President Isaias in early morning hours today, 28th January, departed to the Republic of Italy to participate at the Africa-Italy Summit. President Isaias and his delegation arrived in Rome in midday today. The Today Africa-Italy Summit, which will be conducted under the theme A Bridge for Common Growth, will focus on the fostering equal partnership across various sectors including economy and infrastructure, food security, energy security and transition, and vocational training and culture. The presidential delegation includes Mr. Usman Saleh, Minister of Foreign Affairs, and Ambassador Zameda Takhle, Commissioner of the Culture and Sports. Nathaniel Tesfatsion, an Eritrean professional cyclist with the American Lidl track team, claimed second place at the Cadel Evans Great Ocean Road Race in Australia today. Nathaniel Tesfatsion finished closely behind the stage winners, Australian cyclist Lawrence Pithy, after a tight sprint to the finish line. He completed the 174.3-kilometer race in 4 hours, 17 minutes and 40 seconds, average speed of 40.5 kilometers per hour. The race featured numerous attempts of breakaway. In a dramatic turn of events with just 9 kilometers remaining, several front runners, including Eritrea's Binyam Girmay from the Belgian Intermarché Wanted team, fell back from the leading pack. Nathaniel was part of an elite group of 13 riders who tackled a challenging climb with a 7.8% grade, demonstrating his sprinting skills to win his second silver medal in this prestigious Australian event. His first silver was earned at the Tour opening race on January 13. Further success of Eritrean came on January 25 when Binyam Girmay won gold medal at the Australian Surf Coast Classic 2024, also representing Intermarché Wanty. The Eritrean community in Australia has been notably supportive, enthusiastically cheering for their cyclists throughout the tour, drawing attention from various groups. In related news, Nathaniel Burhane, another distinguished Eritrean cyclist representing the Beykoz Belediyespor Sport Club from Turkey, secured second place in a one-day race in Turkey yesterday. Nathaniel Burhane completed the 139-kilometer race in 3 hours, 26 minutes and 5 seconds, maintaining an average speed of 40.6 kilometers per hour. Eritrean cyclists have continued to achieve remarkable results on the international stage, with 5 podium finish in various competitions just 1 month in 2024. Significant success in voluntary blood donation effort. The National Blood Transfusion Center has announced a remarkable achievement in its blood collection effort, securing over 15,000 bags of blood in 2023. This accomplishment not only exceeded the center's target, but also marked a significant increase in voluntary blood donations across the nation. In a recent interview with ERi-TV, Dr. Johannes Techaste, the medical director of National Blood Transfusion Center, shared detailed insights into the regional contribution to these national efforts. The Northern Red Sea region contributed 1,022 bags, the Southern region 2,651 bags, the Ansaba region 1,132 bags, and the Central region led with this substantial 10,217 bags. Overall, the collection was 25% above the initial goal set by the center. Dr. Johannes highlighted the critical role played by the National Association of Voluntary Blood Donors in the success, attributing an 3% increase in the blood supply for 2023 to their dedicated efforts. This surge in donation has significantly enhanced the center's ability to meet the demands for blood in hospitals, with 80% of the requirements being fulfilling in 2022. The center is also committed to ensuring the safety and quality of the blood supply. Dr. Johannes reported that all donated bloods undergo rigorous screening process. The 2023 statistics reveal low infection rates among the blood donation, with HIV at 0.08%, hepatitis B 0.32%, hepatitis C at 0.1%, and syphilis at 0.07%, all of them which have shown improvement from the previous year. These achievements underscore the community's growing awareness and participation in voluntary blood donation. We are live on ERi-TV. Stay tuned for international news. Fighters from the Lebanese Hezbollah resistance movement have targeted and destroyed a surveillance system at an Israeli military outpost in response to the ongoing Israeli genocide war on the besieged Gaza Strip. Lebanon's Arabic language Al Mayadin television network, citing a Hezbollah statement, reported that the group tracked the newly installed system at the outpost in the town of Zarit, close to the border with Lebanon. At around 9 p.m. local time Friday, the development came shortly after Hezbollah announced in a separate statement that it had launched surface-to-surface Dusk-1 missile for the first time since the outbreak of the Israeli assault on Gaza against Mali Golani barracks in the west part of the occupied Golan Heights. Moreover, Hezbollah rained down rockets and anti-tank guided missiles on other Israeli military sites and settlements, including Hanita barracks and several settlements, including Shalom settlement, for over an hour across the border. Israeli media described it as the night of fire. The United States is planning to deploy nuclear weapons to the UK for the first time in 15 years, The Telegraph reported Friday, citing Pentagon documents. The report comes amid heightened tensions between NATO and Russia over the Ukraine conflict and calls from some Western politicians to prepare for a potential armed clash with Moscow. The British newspaper cited the requirements contract for the new facility at the Royal Air Force Station at Lakenheath in Suffolk, which points to the Washington's intention to bring nuclear weapons to the base. RAF Lakenheath is expected to house B-61-12 bombs that are 3 times more powerful than those dropped on Hiroshima in 1945, the Telegraph said. The U.S. sent F-35 nuclear-capable fighters to the base last year. Russian Foreign Ministry spokesperson Maria Zakharova said last year that Moscow would be compelled to enact compensatory countermeasures if American nuclear warheads were turned to Britain. Now we have a quick review of the top stars. President Isaias Afwerki departs to Italy. Nathanael Tesfadzian secures second place at Cadel Evans road race. Hezbollah fighters destroy Israeli military surveillance system in night of fire. U.S. to redeploy nuclear weapons to the UK. That wraps up our news broadcast for this evening. Thank you for watching. Have a good night.